Hi, and welcome to Tracing a Cable video. This section we're going to talk about tracing a cable. We already did a demo on tracing a cable and how to do it, so now we're just going to talk about the reasons why. Anytime we need to trace a cable, it's because there's a problem connecting to it. Whether the cable is connected to a computer and you're not getting a connection, or a printer, or some device that needs internet connection or network connection and you're not getting a connection. So when we have to trace the cable, we use the tone and probe and we connect directly into the jack and then we trace it back to the patch. The only reason we really need to do toning is if the label is not on the jack, so we don't know where it's connected. If we already know where it's connected and there's a label on the jack, then we can just go to the patch panel and start doing some troubleshooting. But if there is no identifier on the jack side, we have no idea what patch it's punched down in. So we will have to plug in the tone generator and use the probe and find it on the back of the patch panel in the network closet. Also, you may look at the cable and see if the cable has the numbers written on it as well. Sometimes that happens. But if not, then you just use your tone and probe and find the cable. So hopefully this section helped you, and we'll see you in